In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new tool in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually create a new tool chest, and the way to do this is you want to go to the left-hand side here and click on tool chest. Then you want to go to the top, and then you have to click on tool chest. Now, of course, you don't have to create a new one, but I do think it's going to be much easier if you have a separate one for all your custom new added tools. So go to tool chest, top left, click on manage tool sets, and in here you want to click on this plus button bottom left, which says add tool set, and then create new. Now, of course, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it tutorial right now, and I'm going to click on create tool set. You'll have to basically save it somewhere. Just click on save here, and I'm going to do yes because I want to replace it. For you, you don't have to do that. And then here, just click on OK, and as you can see down here at the bottom, I now have my new tool set. Okay, so to actually now create a new tool, you simply have to create it physically here on your canvas, on your PDF. So I'm just going to create something completely random over here. Let's say this is now my new tool that I want to create. I'm going to press enter. There we go. And then when you have your new tool selected, right click it and then click on add to tool chest at the bottom and select your new tool set. So for me, tutorial is going to do. And when I click on it over here, I now have a new tool inside my new tool chest. And if I click on it over here, I can go ahead and use that tool over here directly in my PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.